Hello friends, today I am going to talk to you about an amazing project that just completed.
I'm sure that all of you must have encountered minor bumps and scrapes, fender benders, and so on. If you may notice that, the time taken to repair these at least a week long. One of the biggest bottlenecks which prevents workshops from doing this quickly is the paint job. Every car undergoes different wear and tear to the paints, so the shade of the paint is slightly different for every car. It requires an expert to mix the colors in the perfect proportion and then paint the car. Finding and training someone with this expertise is a challenge. At DaveAI, we love a challenge. Working with around 300 workshops all around India associated with a major car manufacturer, we developed an AI solution which helps increases the throughput of these workshops. Keep 1 feet distance from car to take photo. Make sure not to get reflections in photo. Click a flat area where the original paint was applied. Crop the photo to the specific part after clicking the photo. The AI engine processes the colors. This report contains the formulated shade card matching the actual color of the car.
We will be bringing the solution soon to the market, hoping that all your fender benders can be fixed within a day. Do drop a mail below if you want to know more about our solutions.